If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat that refuses to budge no matter how clean you eat, and you constantly feel bloated by midday, your body might be trying to tell you something important. This isn't about willpower. This isn't about eating less. This is about something Japanese women have understood for generations. Here's what caught my attention. When researchers studied over 30,000 adults in Japan, they discovered something remarkable about women who consumed a specific fermented food daily. These women had significantly lower rates of visceral fat, that's the dangerous fat that wraps around your organs, and maintained healthier body weights well into their 60s and 70s. Now, before you think green tea, let me stop you right there. Everyone talks about green tea. This is different. This is simpler. And the science behind it is fascinating. What are they consuming? Miso soup. Specifically, the fermented broth made from miso paste. I know what you might be thinking. That's it? Soup? But stay with me, because what happens inside your body when you consume this daily is backed by peer-reviewed research from institutions like Nutrients Journal and the National Institute of Health and Nutrition in Tokyo. Let me be clear about something from the start. I've spent years researching longevity practices from blue zones, where people live the longest, healthiest lives. Japan consistently ranks at the top, and this one simple daily habit shows up again and again in the research. Not as a miracle cure, but as a tool that supports your body's natural ability to manage weight and reduce inflammation. Let me break down exactly what the science shows. Your gut is like a garden. Inside that garden, you have trillions of bacteria, some helpful, some harmful. When the helpful bacteria outnumber the bad ones, your body burns fat more efficiently, absorbs nutrients better, and keeps inflammation under control. But when the bad bacteria take over, your body starts storing fat, especially around your belly. Think of it this way. If your gut bacteria were employees at a factory, the good bacteria would be the ones keeping production smooth and efficient. The bad bacteria? They're the ones slowing everything down and making the whole system dysfunctional. This is where miso becomes powerful. Miso is a fermented food, and fermentation creates something critical: probiotics. These are live, beneficial bacteria that enter your gut and restore balance. A groundbreaking study published in Nutrients in 2019 examined mice fed a high-fat diet. Researchers from Japan found that mice consuming miso showed significantly reduced white adipose tissue weight and smaller fat cells compared to those who didn't consume miso. The study demonstrated that miso suppresses fat accumulation in adipose tissue, particularly when combined with moderate exercise. But here's where it gets even more interesting for you personally. If you're over 40, this becomes critically important. As you age, your gut bacteria naturally decline in both diversity and numbers. You lose the beneficial strains. And that's one of the hidden reasons why belly fat becomes so much more stubborn after 40. It's not just your metabolism slowing down, it's your gut ecosystem changing. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body holds onto fat more desperately, especially around your midsection. If you've been eating clean, exercising regularly, and still can't lose that belly fat, your gut might be the missing piece. The second reason miso works relates to something called bioactive peptides. When soybeans are fermented to make miso, enzymes break down the proteins into smaller molecules. These peptides have been shown in multiple studies to influence your body's metabolic processes. Let me explain this simply. Your metabolism is like a furnace. The hotter it burns, the more fat you use for fuel. As you age, that furnace naturally cools down. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that people who consumed fermented soy products regularly showed improved metabolic markers compared to those who didn't.
a comprehensive study from 2021 published in Nutrients examined patients with type 2 diabetes and found that habitual miso consumption was associated with better blood sugar control, particularly in women. The researchers discovered that women who consumed miso soup regularly had lower HbA1c variability, meaning more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Why does this matter for belly fat? Because blood sugar instability triggers insulin spikes. When insulin floods your system repeatedly, your body switches into fat storage mode. Stable blood sugar means less insulin, which means less fat storage around your abdomen. And here's something fascinating about timing. In Japan, miso soup is traditionally consumed at breakfast, not dinner. Research from Kyoto University suggests this timing is crucial. When you consume fermented foods first thing in the morning, you're setting the metabolic tone for your entire day. Your gut bacteria activate, your blood sugar stabilizes earlier, and your body shifts into fat-burning mode sooner. This isn't magic. It's strategic nutrition based on how your body actually functions. You're not forcing anything extreme. You're simply supporting what your body is already designed to do.
Now here's the third mechanism, and this is where many people finally understand why they've been stuck. Miso contains compounds called isoflavones, plant-based molecules that act as gentle regulators inside your body. Specifically, they help reduce chronic inflammation. Why does this matter for belly fat? Because inflammation and belly fat exist in a vicious cycle. Here's how it works. When your body is inflamed from stress, processed foods, lack of sleep, or environmental toxins, it releases hormones like cortisol. Cortisol signals your body to store fat, particularly around your abdomen, because your body interprets inflammation as danger and wants emergency energy reserves. The more inflamed you are, the more belly fat you store. The more belly fat you store, the more inflamed you become. It's a loop that's extremely difficult to break on your own. Recent research published in 2020 examined the effects of soy supplementation on inflammatory markers. A meta-analysis of multiple randomized controlled trials found that soy products led to a significant reduction in C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation, by approximately 0.27 milligrams per liter. Another study specifically examining soy isoflavones combined with soy protein showed even stronger effects, with CRP reductions of 0.49 milligrams per liter. Think of chronic inflammation as a false alarm system. Your body thinks there's constant danger, so it hoards fat as protection. Miso's isoflavones help turn off that alarm. Here's an analogy. Imagine your body as a house, and inflammation is like leaving all the windows and doors open during a storm. Everything inside gets damaged, nothing functions properly, and you're in constant crisis mode. Miso acts like going around and closing those windows. Suddenly, things calm down. Your body can focus on normal function again, including burning fat instead of desperately storing it.
Now let me be very clear about something, because I'm not here to sell you false promises. Drinking miso soup will not magically melt away 20 pounds in a week. Anyone who tells you that is lying. That's not how the human body works. What I am telling you, backed by research, is this. Adding miso soup to your daily routine can support your body's natural ability to manage weight, reduce inflammation, and improve gut health. It's one tool in your health toolkit, a very effective, scientifically validated tool, but it's still just one tool. Here's the context that matters. Japan has one of the lowest obesity rates among developed nations. According to data from the Global Nutrition Report, only 4.3% of adult Japanese women live with obesity, compared to regional averages of 10.3%. Japanese women also have some of the longest life expectancies in the world. This isn't genetic. Studies of Japanese immigrants show that when they adopt Western dietary patterns, their obesity rates rise to match their new countries. This proves the difference is environmental and dietary, not genetic. So what are Japanese women doing differently? They're not counting calories obsessively. They're not doing extreme diets. They're not taking expensive supplements. They're consuming real, fermented, traditional foods that humans have been eating for thousands of years. Foods that work with the body, not against it. A cross-sectional study published in Nutrients in 2020 examined 192 men and 159 women with type 2 diabetes. The researchers found that habitual miso consumption was inversely associated with the presence of sarcopenia, muscle loss, in women. Women who consumed miso regularly had better nutritional intake patterns, higher protein consumption, and better overall dietary quality.
So, how do you actually do this? It's simpler than you think. You can buy organic miso paste at almost any health food store or online. Look for unpasteurized miso. This is critical because pasteurization kills the beneficial bacteria that make miso effective. Every morning, boil water, let it cool for about a minute. Boiling water kills probiotics. Then stir in about 1 tablespoon of miso paste. You can add seaweed, green onions, or tofu, or drink it plain. The key is consistency. Do this daily. Not when you remember, not when it's convenient, daily. Japanese women don't overthink it. It's just what they do, like brushing their teeth. And that consistency is what creates measurable results. One study followed participants for 8 weeks who consumed miso regularly. Those in the miso group showed measurable reductions in white adipose tissue weight and improved markers of fat metabolism. Not dramatic overnight changes, but steady, sustainable progress. Now, I know some of you are concerned about sodium. Yes, miso contains salt, but research from the Japan Public Health Center found that regular miso consumption was not associated with increased hypertension risk. The type of salt in fermented miso appears to behave differently in the body than processed table salt. That said, if you have kidney issues or are on a strict low-sodium diet, talk to your doctor first. This information is about supporting your health, not replacing medical guidance. Here's what I want you to understand. The healthiest, longest-living women in the world aren't doing anything extreme. They're eating simple, traditional, fermented foods that support their body's natural systems. You can do this too. You can be that person who looks and feels better at 60 than most people do at 40.
But it starts with small, intelligent choices you make every single day. The research is clear. A study published in 2019 in Nutrients demonstrated that miso consumption, especially when combined with moderate exercise, significantly suppressed visceral fat accumulation. The mice in this study that received miso showed increased expression of genes involved in fat breakdown and reduced fat cell size. Multiple human studies have confirmed associations between miso consumption and lower insulin resistance, better glycemic control, reduced inflammation markers, and improved body composition, particularly in women over 40. This isn't about following a trend. This is about understanding how your body works and giving it what it needs to function optimally. If this information made sense to you, if you're someone who's tired of gimmicks and wants real science-backed strategies, do me a favor, type yes in the comments below. Share this video with someone you care about who's been struggling with stubborn weight. Your mom, your sister, your best friend, someone who needs to hear this truth. And if you want more content like this, real health information backed by real research, subscribe to this channel. I create videos like this because I believe you deserve to know the truth about your health, not marketing hype. Your body is capable of incredible things when you give it the right tools. Start tomorrow morning. 1 cup of miso soup. And pay attention to how you feel over the next few weeks. Notice your energy levels. Notice your digestion. Notice how your clothes fit. Small changes compound into remarkable results. The women in Japan aren't doing this because it's trendy. They're doing it because it works. And now you know why. The question is, what will you do with this information?